Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here today. I am so glad you are here. I have my Ipsy Glam bag, just the original, the $12 bag, 5 deluxe samples, sometimes they throw in a full size. I'm excited about that, but I am more excited because they had a really great add-ons this month and I have a couple. So let's get in here and see what I've got. So when we got to go in and make our choice this month, a lot of us were like, those choices are not fantastic this month, but the add-ons were fantastic, and I only picked up a couple, but I picked up a couple of good ones. And helpful hint, I always ship my add-ons with my regular bag because whatever bag they ship in usually takes the longest to get to you. So I don't want to hold up my Ultimate or my Plus, so I almost always ship them in my regular bag. I'm going to drag all of this out of here, and let's dig right in. So this bag, I just would like to go on the record before I open this, I feel like something smells like tea tree. I guess it could be the plastic of this bag, but I feel like I smell tea tree. This is what this bag looks like, and it's the same plasticky as we had in our Plus and our Ultimate. This one says Escape, and I have said all along, they feel like wet bags. They feel like they could really hold up to having something wet in them and protecting it, or more importantly, the things from the wetness, but it has the cute little draw that is the airplane. So cute. So first we will go over my bag and then I will show you my awesome add-ons. We got to make a choice with this bag, just like we do with all of our Ipsy products. So for my choice, I know you're going to be so surprised. I chose the Thrive Cosmetics Lip Butter Lip Liner, and that is what that looks like. I have 2 of these, and I made sure that this was not a color that I had because I love them. I will put just this lip liner on and then a gloss over it, and it lasts so long. And I said lip butter lip liner, and it's lip fuller lip liner. I haven't put my glasses on yet. So let's take this out and we'll check out the color. And the color is Gizlan, G-H-I-Z-L-A-N. I don't know what that means, but this is what it looks like. And I have gotten 2 of these before, and actually they came in Allure boxes, and I get 2 Allure boxes, and I was so excited. Each box had a different color in it, but neither one is this. One of them is pink and the other is taupe, and I kind of felt like this one maybe fell between them. Yeah, that's very pretty. I like that a lot. It's got kind of a natural color to it, and yet there's something about it that almost feels a little cool. I just love these liners. They are so creamy and go on so nicely. Okay, let's dig into the bag and see what else I received. We have our card that says Take a Break, July 2020. Of course, the inside offers no information that we need, so we will just persevere. And reaching into the back next, I have a Naked Cosmetics. This is a loose pigment in Naturally Nude. So let's see what that looks like. I don't, as a rule, use loose pigments, but I got a set of these a very long time ago, the full 4-piece set. And I think it was like maybe my very first Ipsy Plus, and I did them as a giveaway. And after I had put them in the giveaway, everybody was like, no, stop. Try them first. They are fantastic. So since I have gotten one, I'm going to go ahead and try it. Wow, it has nothing to stop you from really over dipping. There's a little bit in the lid, so I'm going to go ahead and try and get that on my finger. Yeah. Oh, it is. You guys were right. It is gorgeous. That is, oh, and this is a rose. They call it Naturally Nude, but to me, it looks more like a, oh, wow. This is gorgeous. It looks like a rose gold to me. That is so pretty, and it goes on so nicely. You guys were right. These are nice. I've just never really, A, I don't reach for single shadows very often, and B, I've never really reached for loose pigments. I can totally see me doing that just on my lid with a nice mascara for a really no makeup day look. That is beautiful. Thank you so much for everybody who said, oh girl, you should try those, because you are right. That is fantastic. Next I have a hand cream, and it says, tell me your wish, cute. Tell me your wish. Yep, that's what it says. Tell me your wish, cute. So I'm not sure what I'm missing there, but it's Fresh Herb, and it says, tell me your wish, hand cream, cute. They're sticking to their story. And it says it is free from parabens and artificial color. Warning, for external use only. Keep out of reach of children. And it is made in Korea. Oh, it's sealed. I love that. Let's try just a skosh of this where I haven't put anything else yet. That is what it looks like. Maybe we can get an idea for how it smells. Oh, what is that? That is very strong. Does it say what it is? Oh, it says on the front right here, it says Fresh Herb. It is a really, really strong scent. If you've gotten this and you tried it, let me know what you think. Something about it to me Smells so strong. I'm not sure that I can use that. Wow. Reaching into the bag, next we have Skin Regimen Cleansing Cream Anti-Pollution Face Wash. And that is what that looks like. And the back of this says, with Longevity Complex, it removes pollution, impurities, makeup, and SPF. The skin is fresh and radiant. Natural aroma with rebalancing and reinvigorating effect. And it says, morning and evening, apply a small amount, massage into the face, rinse, and avoid contact with your eyes. Well, since it is sealed and I'm not sure by the ingredients if it's something that I can use, I'm going to go ahead and leave it sealed so I can pass it along if I can't use it. But so we have a Skin Regimen Cleansing Cream. Okay, and last in the bag we have Will Powder from the Balm. It is a blush in Perseverance. And that is what that looks like. I do love to try a new blush color. And I just always, Will Powder, how cute is that? I love the Balm's packaging. Oh, that's pretty. That is really pretty. I'm not sure if it's a blush for me, but I do like the color of it. Oh, that's very nice. Actually, I think that's a really universal color and it builds. It's kind of a peachy rose, but it builds up to kind of a darker orangier color. This would be really nice in the summer. Like if you're tanning, that would be so pretty. Okay, so that is it for what came in my bag. So I got the Thrive Lip Liner, which I got to choose, the cleanser, the very strongly scented hand cream. I just want to say that because I know so many of you are so aware of scents. That is really a strongly scented hand cream. We have the Naked Cosmetics. I love that loose pigment. And the Will Powder Blush. I like that. I got 3 makeup products. That's kind of fun. And then a hand lotion and a face cleanser. So I like that weight. I like my bags to be weighted a little more on the makeup side. Then we got to do add-ons, and I did one $3 add-on, and it's the Perlice Radiant Glow Illuminating BB Cream with an SPF of 30. It says it's oil-free, moisturizing, natural-looking coverage, illuminated finish for normal to dry, even sensitive skin. And I, of course, chose it in Fair. And that is what that looks like. And I chose this because last month in my Boxycharm, we got the BB cream and I loved the feel of it, and they knew they made a mistake. They sent me a really dark color and I thought, if I get the opportunity, I'm going to try it in a lighter color, and here we are. Oh, wow, it just squirted right out, so I already have it on my finger. That is what that looks like, so I think it's going to be a good color for me. Yep. I picked this up just so I could see if it was a color that worked for me and how I liked the formula. And that's what it looks like going into my skin. It's a little light for the back of my hand, but I think that my face is a little lighter than my hand. It doesn't have, if I had to say it had a scent, is that like have you guys noticed, is that like a baby scent? Like a baby powder scent? That's what it smells like to me. I like it a lot. It's really going into the back of my hand. It feels a little bit heavy, and I'm surprised because it's a BB cream. And I think of BB and CC creams, for me personally, I think of them in the summer because they're usually lighter than just, a heavy makeup, but I like it. I don't know if you can tell the difference in my hands, but with and without. I will let you guys know what I think about this when I give it a shot. All right, I'm going to take this opportunity to clean up because next we're going to do some swatching, because for my next add-on, and I want to say, I think this was $25. I'll let you guys know right here if I can. I chose this duo, and it is an Anastasia Beverly Hills duo. We got an Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Bittersweet, and that is what that looks like. And I got the Jackie Aina palette, both of them, for, like I said, at most $25, maybe $18, but I think $25. And I have wanted this palette, so I was so happy to see it in add-ons. So let's get into this liquid lip first and see what color it is, because this is completely bonus for me. I would have spent what I spent just for the palette. Yeah, I'm going to set this aside because I have a color very similar to that, and it's a little warm for me, so I'm going to set that aside because that would be great in a giveaway. I think that alone is more than a $20 lippy. And then we have this nice palette. Let's get this out of this packaging. And that is what the packaging looks like. Look how pretty it is. So pretty. And then, oh yeah, that does not disappoint. That is beautiful. I am a huge fan of the Anastasia formula. And look at those colors. That is so, that's gorgeous. I have wanted to try this so much. So that is so pretty. And like I said, this was the Jackie Aina collaboration, and I have been wanting to pick this up. I think it came out about a year ago. Let's get into swatching it and see how it looks. Oh my gosh, already, it's so creamy. So these are the first 4, and we have Soleil, Supreme, Pinker, and Big Wig. Oh, so pretty. I just love her formula. It's just so beautiful. Completing the top row, we have these 3, Dwala's, Credit, and Lituation. We'll put those here. We'll start down here. And that is what those look like. So, look at that gold. That is so pretty. I mean, the color payoff on these is amazing. All right, and then the first 4 in the next row are Zam, Wiggleze, Shookington, and Trust Issues. Oh, I just love that. That purple is so soft. It needs a little extra love, but it just needs to be blended. And I don't know if you can tell, right below the purple, I have a little bit of a silver. I'm so light that that's difficult to see, but this is gorgeous. And then the last 3 are Edges, Sponsored, and Ginger. We'll put these right here. Oh my gosh, guys. How gorgeous is that? That's Sponsored, and it's kind of a greenish, but somehow bronzy. It's just, they're gorgeous. I knew I had to have this palette. This is just beautiful. And the Anastasia palettes come with double-ended brushes, and they are not junk brushes. Like if you're traveling, and they're decent brushes. So that, that, and that is what this palette looks like. And it is absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. So for the add-ons, I got this set and then this cute little Perlice BB cream. All right, so that is my regular Ipsy Glam bag for this month. I say regular because I did this awesome add-on. If by chance you guys haven't seen it, I will put a link at the end of this for my AIA Beauty Bundle because that has a giveaway in it. And it is a $500 beauty bag straight from AIA Beauty Bundle. If you go over and watch the videos, I have all of the rules in the videos. It will tell you what you can win, or if you like the box, there's a 10% code. Actually, they've taken the codes away and now I just have a link that also has my name, so you don't even have to remember discount codes anymore. But that's not the point. The point is there's a great giveaway attached to that. And I'm going to draw it just like I do all my regular giveaways with a random comment selector. And then I will get your information, give it to them, and they will send you your package. So if you haven't checked that out, be sure and go over and check out that giveaway. Thanks again for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I'll see you really soon. Bye, guys.